this actual strategy. Today, I'm going to turn these $5 into $1,000. So if you're a new trader with only $5 or you've tried different strategies one after the other, still losing, this actual strategy will make you a profitable trader, and I'm going to show you how. So currently, according to this strategy, it's telling us we have to buy and make profits on Bitcoin when it starts to go up. So I've also sent a free signal to the mobile Forex Telegram traders so that we can also make money together. And with my $5, if I want to make $1,000, I have to enter as many trades as possible. And for you to actually do the same thing, you need a good and reliable broker like xauusd. So I put the link of the broker that I'm using today in this video description. So when you're done opening your account, what you need to do is to set your leverage at 1x to 2,000 since you're starting out. And if you don't know anything about Forex and you also want to grow small accounts just like this, click the last link in this video description so that you can also get highly accurate signals for free. Currently, the market is still moving up and down. So as you can see, we are still in a small profit, $100 to $200. So let me show you how you also get trades like this one. And we'll get back to this actual trade when I'm done showing you how to use this strategy so that you can see if the market went in our direction or if you blew the account. So this strategy, we need two moving averages. So the first moving average, the blue one, is the 3 moving average. Then the second one, or the red one, is the 8 moving average. So when the blue moving average is below the red moving average, this tells you the market is in a strong downtrend and must only be looking to enter sell trades. Then when the blue moving average, which is the 3 moving average, is above the red moving average, which is the 8 moving average, this tells you the market is in a strong uptrend, so you must only look for buy trades. And if you also want to do the same thing, like growing a $5 account into $1,000, only using 2 moving averages is not enough. That is why I've added the third indicator, which is the parabolic SAR for confirmation. Because if you're only using moving averages when the market is going up and down like this, you will lose a lot of money. And if you not add the parabolic SAR, when the market is going up, it will have the parabolic SAR dots below to help you confirm the uptrend that you saw using the 2 moving averages. So for example, right here, where you see the blue moving average above the red moving average, but the parabolic SAR are still above, this is not a good time to enter trades because the market will then retrace and go the opposite direction. But right here, where you see the parabolic SAR dots below the moving averages, and also the blue moving average is above the red moving average, this is a total confirmation that the market has to go up no matter what. So this is exactly what you're doing right here. You can see we have the blue moving average above the red moving average, and also down here we have the parabolic SAR dots below, which means we have a double confirmation that the market has to go up. Yes, with only this, you can easily make money in the Forex market, making $10, $100 per day. But if you're that trader who wants to make $1,000 each and every day, then you have to pay attention to what I'm about to share with you right now. So for you to understand this secret that will always guarantee you make money, we have to start back right here. Look right here when the market is going down, forming this actual low. When the market goes below this low, you can actually see it going sharply and surpassing this actual previous low. Then also you can see the market forming this actual low, then goes down again, passing this actual low, and then coming down to also surpass this previous low, which is right here. Now let's also see when the market is going up. You can actually see the market going up and forming this actual high. Then when it surpasses it, it also go up to touch this previous high, which is right here. Even when the market starts to turn also going into a retracement, you can also see the same thing happening, that when the market actually goes below the most recent low, surpassing it is coming to also touch this previous low, which is right here. And this still remains the same when the market goes up or goes down. When it fails to do that, that is when the market now becomes in a consolidation or stays in a small range like this one that you have right here. When the market will form a high and a low which is smaller than the previous low, and also the next high is also lower than the previous high right here. And you continue to do that, forming smaller lows, smaller highs, which now keeps it in a smaller range again and again. But now look right here where the market forms a high and then surpasses that high. Look where it goes, surpassing this actual previous high. And also when it surpasses this previous high, it is now coming back to also surpass all the previous highs which were left open before. So from now on, if you want to grow a small account like $5 into $1,000, now you have the secret that will guarantee you can always win each and every trade. And this is the exact reason why I'm entering this actual trade right here, because we've just surpassed this recent high and now we are targeting to get to this actual high which is right here. Now if you look where the market is, it is getting closer to the high that you have to actually take profit. So let's get back to the trades. You can actually see $600, $800, $900, $1,000, which means we've actually hit our target all because of this actual strategy that I've given you today. So now take this strategy, test it out with a small amount like $5, $10, and see if it helps you to start to make money. It doesn't matter if you start by making $1, $2, or $3 consistently. That is a starting point, and also that makes you a profitable trader. For you to start to make $1,000 from a $5 account, you need to be trading with full margin. And for you to do that, you need the same broker that I'm using. I've put the link of the broker in this video description. Set to leverage 1x to unlimited. Find a trade that follows everything that I've just shared with you today. Go full margin and definitely you also get the same results. And if you're still new to Forex trading, you can also use these signals to start to grow your account and also get confidence in this actual strategy. Then later on, you can start using this auto strategy to find your own trades. This is Mobile Forex. Bye for now.